Hi, it's Vicky, and I'm back with another video, and this is a 4x4 botanicals and birds page swap that I did over on the Scrap Beach, and I think Kim was hosting, and the challenge was to use paper napkins as your base paper. You can put whatever you wanted on top of it, but it had to be napkins on your base paper. And I used this strawberry napkin, and I used cling film to get it to stick to the paper. There is a tutorial online, but I can't remember where I found it. Anyway, you had to use flowers on one side and birds on the other, and I used the napkins and then some paper with little flowers on, and I can't remember where I got the paper from, but it was birds and bird cages, and this was also in the paper line, but it just had flowers on it. And I used some prima flowers and some flower brads for the centre, stick pin, and a little frame on all of them. And I made 2 lots, even though I don't think I really needed to, but I made 2 lots, and they are different. Anyway, that's what I did on this side, and then the other side I made a pocket out of birdcage paper, and the pockets have these fold outs in. Plenty of room for photos and journaling on such a tiny page, and on the ones I've sent out they have charms hanging from these eyelets. I made a hole and put an eyelet in, and then I hung a length of chain down the side with a little charm on the bottom, and that goes back in there. And then there's this little peg. I got these from Hobbycraft in Nottingham, and then I put a little zip up, and the peg just holds it closed. And these flowers came from the range. This is the same, but with different papers. There's birds and bird cages, and it has a different fold out in. And then on the ones I've sent out, I've put my details on the front. I thought they came out really nice. I just had an idea and I went with it, and the pages have turned out nice, I think. Okay, comment, let me know what you think, and I will speak to you soon. Bye!